What do you think? How does it feel to be एक दिन का Prime Minister? Hello and welcome everyone to Nikhil Kamath Vlogs. And yes, you heard it right. I was asking you, what do you think? How does it feel to be एक दिन का Prime Minister? Well, I can answer that for you. And no, I was not the Ek Din Ka Prime Minister for this country, but I was the Prime Minister for my school's youth parliament back in 2012, and it was an amazing experience. So, what is a youth parliament? A youth parliament is something very similar to a model United Nations that is very popular these days. So, instead of understanding how a UN assembly works, in youth parliament, students are taught about how a parliamentary session works and what is parliamentary behavior and what is parliamentary language. What was I doing in this youth parliament? I was, of course, the Prime Minister of this youth parliament. And how did I become the Prime Minister of this youth parliament? Well, just a year before the youth parliament happened at my school, I role-played as Barack Obama, and I delivered one of his speeches that he delivered to the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members when he visited India in 2010. And everybody saw that, and seeing that, my teacher in charge thought, well, this guy can be a good Prime Minister too. Now, funnily enough, I share my birthday with one of the former Prime Ministers of this country. So it was like a total coincidence for me to play the Prime Minister in this youth parliament. One of the heartbreak incidents that I want to share with you from this youth parliament is that I was this close to winning an award, but I missed it by this much. How did I miss that? So we had a jury who had come to judge our performances, and all of us, all the list of members, we were given serial numbers so that the jury can identify us and then give us marks and all that. And during the question hour, there were a lot of questions that were addressed to me directly, and I answered them by myself because they were addressed to me. One of the jury members went on stage and he was like, no, whenever a question is addressed to the Prime Minister has someone else to answer that question on his behalf. And I was like, bro, what about being Atmanirbhar? What about doing things for yourself, by yourself, huh? What about being Atmanirbhar? And I said, if a question is addressed to me, you're damn right, I'm going to answer that by myself instead of having someone else answer that on my behalf. And well, that's the reason why I missed it by that much, missed an award by that much. That was a bad memory, but we have a lot of good memories from the youth parliament, and I'm doing this video because so many of my friends, after seeing the holidays homework video, they were like, dude, you have to do a video for youth parliament. And so I was like, well, I can do it. And I want to tell you, the look of my Prime Minister, me being the Prime Minister, was something like this, which was completely not under my control, because had it been under my control, I wouldn't be wearing this. I would have been wearing a shirt like this, or maybe a t-shirt and jeans. But I had to bear this uncomfortable look in September when it was hot and humid and I was sweating like hell. Apart from that, I was also the rock and roll Prime Minister. How many times do you see a Prime Minister rock and roll like this? For real, because he knows how to play the instrument. This time, for sure, it was real. And you all know I can play the guitar, and I did. Apart from the fun things and the funny incidents and the heartbreaks, a lot of learning also happened. One thing was, of course, we learned how the parliament functions, what is parliamentary behavior and parliamentary language. Apart from that, we also learned different things like leadership skills. For me, leadership skills was one of the most important things that I learned, and then I used those leadership skills when I became the house captain a year later when I was in class 12. And even today, I use those leadership skills in many different incidents that I go through in my day-to-day activities. And this has been very helpful for me to understand the political system of this country and how politics works in general. So guys, if you found this video interesting, please do hit the like button. If you have been a part of the youth parliament in your school or college, or have been a part of any MUNs in your school or college, please do share your experience with me in the comments below, and I will be replying to all of your comments from right here in the studio. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you are updated with all the new videos that are coming up on this channel every week. That's it for today's episode of Nikhil Kamath Vlogs. I will see you next week with another topic, another story probably. Till then, take very good care of yourselves and keep doing what you love.